Welcome to Lesson 11 in Saxon Math, Intermediate 5. Today's lesson is all about word problems about combining. Our objectives today: after this lesson you should be able to translate and solve word problems about combining by writing an addition equation, finding the missing addend, and checking the answer. Decide if the answer to a word problem about combining is reasonable. Some review from last time. Remember we talked about missing numbers in addition. You always subtract the known numbers that they've given you to find that missing number. And remember that every word problem contains a math equation. Equations are anything that has an equal sign in it. So let's look at word problems. Now word problems have plots. A plot is what's going to happen, kind of like a movie or a TV show that you watch. And so today we're going to focus on the sum plus some more plot that a lot of word problems have. They follow this pattern. You start with sum of something plus some more of that thing and you have your total. And so here's an abbreviated version of that pattern. Here's an example. After Dwayne paid Destiny $120 for rent, Destiny had $645. How much money did Destiny have before Dwayne paid Destiny rent? So it fits our pattern. Some money, what we started with, we don't have that number, that's what's missing. Plus the $120 that got paid for rent, that's your more, equals $645, that's your total. So we follow the missing number in addition that we did in our last lesson, and we subtract the other two numbers to find out what Destiny started with. And it looks like I forgot a dollar sign there, so we'll just put that right there. $525 is what she started with. Here's another example. Cheryl counted 18 children on the playground before the bell rang. After the bell rang, more children ran onto the playground. Then Cheryl counted 98 children. How many children ran onto the playground after the bell rang? So here's that pattern again. We have the sum, what we started with, the 18, plus more is our missing number, and we know we ended up with 98 total. So again, missing number in addition, we subtract, we find out that 80 children came out onto the playground. One more example. The troop hiked 8 miles in the morning and 7 miles in the afternoon. Altogether, how many miles did the troop hike? We put that into our pattern. 8 is our sum, 7 is our more, and we're missing our total, so we simply add to find our total for that one. That's all for today's lesson. Make sure you answer your practice problems and put any questions you have in the discussion section so we can talk about them in class, and we'll see you in lesson 12.